For the chick?
Yeah.
A little baby?
My little baby. Put him out.
Yeah, I got him out. I thought he was like spending too much time in the pen.
Know.
Giving a bit of fresh air.
Oh, that's good. No, don't do that!
I'm only playing, I'm only playing. We're gonna make a chicken soup though, no?
Yeah, but not with my chicken.
No.
No.
Hey, just looking where his food's gonna come from.
Be careful with him.
He's fine.
He's not scared.
He's not scared. Want some broccoli?
Sure.
Want some broccoli, pal?
Give him a tiny piece.
I don't think he likes that. I think you're gonna have to like put some new food in there because
Yeah, but he likes it so.
he likes to be high and up in the air.
Yeah, but not like that, not like that.
It's okay. It's okay.
Oh, it scared me. Oh! Oh my god.
Only joking. Only joking. Oh, buddy.
Scared me like that.
It's okay. It's okay.
My heart races every time you do that.
Yeah, don't worry.
That's so
I'm just
weird.
looking after him very well. He's cool.
No, 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 no.
It's alright. Why do you think I would ever do something
Yeah,
like
I
that?
know, but I never know. You know.
You never know. He could just jump, you know. And
No, baby, stop. Silly.
I'm just playing.
I'm gonna take him away from you if you do that.
Don't take him away from me.
But how he goes to the mixer?
He's not going to get mixed. He's fine. Look, he's safe in my hands. I won't do it. He's safe in my hands.
No, it's not.
Because you don't
You're
trust
gonna
me.
drop him.
I won't drop him. Look, the lip's on. It's like, it's just a little.
Stop it.
You chop your vegetables over there.
Gotta put it in here.
Oh, it's an accident. It was an accident. He's here. I'm sorry. I'm only joking, babe. He's in here.
Oh my god.
He's good.
Baby.
No, I would never do something like that.
My heart.
Oh, you know I wouldn't do something to the chicken. I love it just as much as you do.
Don't you dropped it. Oh my god. Oh.